Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the grid line colors in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up in the top left corner of Excel and go down and select Options at the bottom of this list here. On the left side, select Advanced. And then on the right side, you want to go and scroll down. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath where it says display options for this worksheet. So pretty close to the bottom. I think it's the fourth category from the bottom here. Versus grid line color. If you click on the drop down here, you can select a different color from the list and then you would select OK. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.